So today is the day of our second cross-country meet. Be quiet, but right now I'm preparing lunch, and I'm going to soon be making my breakfast. Hey, what you doing? Hey. So I'm now heading to the bus stop. No grit today just because of the meet, so I don't want to hurt myself today during the morning, during grit. For lunch today I made a pasta and ground beef with some arugula, and then I also made a sandwich because we eat lunch really early at my school. We eat at 10:45 and we don't get out until 2:45, so that's 4 hours where you're kind of missing a lunch area. So I'll probably eat my sandwich on the way to the meet. For breakfast I made a smoothie. It had like banana, arugula, some bunch of other fruits. It was really good. I don't think I've said this on camera yet, but it was Malik who got the guess the tree on Friday right. It was a sycamore tree, so good job, Malik. I'll try and find another one for this Friday. I'll make it a little bit. It's ready for the first official meet of the year.
I've kind of ready to finish it.
No?
Vlog music, 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 vlog music.
Ta-da! Based on the fauna, I think we're getting close to the meet area. Dennis, you ready for this race?
Take two.
Dennis, you ready for this race?
Kind of.
Alright, we're going through the walkthrough right now.
8 laps around this track.
I hope it's not, look at this. It's just around the soccer field. Oh, I think we're going, like, back that way, behind the school. Hopefully. I just stepped in some mud. Oops.
Yeah.
200, maybe 200 for the old Harry Gary course.
Oh, yeah.
It feels like it.
Boys, let's go racing!
Yep.
You're going around that? You're going right along those benches to the benches?
Yeah.
You're going near that batting cage, behind that soccer net, and right along to the border of the soccer field. You're coming right back here.
I'm sorry.
Anybody that's
Around the
giving you
soccer
that
field.
altitude.
There's blackness.
Stay out
There we go.
along
He's
on
pretty
that
much
side.
there.
Yeah,
Let's just move up like the whole group. Just kind of shimmy forward.
Trail. This is a good trail.
You can't get lost on it.
I'm gonna like this meet. This is a really good trail.
Yeah, it's a good trail.
Hey Dennis, I found your slug, buddy.
Dennis found a slug. Let's go, finish strong! Yeah! Good finish! Let's go, Helena! Let's go, Sam! Helena, let's go! Pick it up, Sam's gonna beat you! Let's go, guys! Good finish! Finish, Anthony! Yes!
That might have got one for us.
Good job, Parish Hill! Good finish! Let's go, Jack! Let's go on the grass right here. Finishes over there. Yeah, Jack. Good job, Helena. We won, Dennis. We won. We won. We took the W. Don't. Yeah, we won. We're gonna celebrate the seniors now. Recognize them because they're awesome.
Great race. We have seniors. What's your name? I'm Evan. Evan Stanley. Evan Stanley from MLC. All right, Evan. Good job. Congratulations. I'm going to butcher your name, but I know it. Helena Globia. Oh!
Yeah.
Nice, I'm impressed. Just Dennis. All right, well, I'll say this. I've been coaching at this small school a long time. I appreciate everyone when they come up, and we actually have a nice course, challenging course for everybody to run on, and they actually like it. These are probably two of my best captains in the 19 years I've been here. And I'm not just saying it because, like, you say it every year when someone leaves, oh, I'm going to miss these guys because they are great leaders. I can tell them what to do, and I can go spend 2.5 hours on the course and know that we're ready. Skylar Sears, my team captain, and hopefully a nice all-star this year. I thank you. And I got some flowers for you. Look at this. Where's your parents at? Your parents are not here because they don't love you. But you gotta come up. I can't believe, and this is how I know I'm getting older, not just the fact that it hurts when I go for a jog now. It's amazing every time. Because I remember in 7th, 8th grade seeing Kelsey run and going, God, I know she can do better. I know. I just got to get her to the high school. And we get to the high school, and she's just lit it on fire. She trained all summer, and she's a great captain, too. The girls follow her, and she chases the guys, too, on the course, which is beautiful because it pushes them. And I'm going to miss you.
So we just got back from the meet, which we won by a couple points, which is really awesome. I'm finishing up some homework now, so I'm going to end the vlog here. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you really love what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.